Good day everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. This is ArgosCreatives. So in today's tutorial I want to show you on how to make your object react to music in Blender. So it's super simple. I just want you to pay attention to it so that as I'm taking you step by step, you can always follow. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please, I want you to hit the subscribe button right now. Please, I want you to hit that subscribe button right now. Like, also share and comment if necessary, and I will appreciate that so much. Thank you. So without any further ado, let's start the class. So here I want to use something that looks different from this. Okay, let me use this cube also. Let me bring it up a little bit, and I need the plane. Shift plus A. Okay, before I move further, let me bring in my screencast so that you can only see whatever I'm doing. So okay, thank you. All right, Shift plus A. So I have my mesh. So I want to use my plane. Let me scale it up. Okay, so I have this now. So I have this. So all right, so let's start something. All right, so the first thing you are going to do, make sure that you have clicked the object, whatever object you are using. Make sure you are clicked it. Then come to this place, go to video sequence, come to this add, go to sound. So let me quickly go to what the beat I want to use, so that we can also import the sound so that we can always make use of it. Then after you go to your graph editor. So here we have graph editor. So what I want to do now is that I want to bring my timeline so that when the beat is already playing, I can always use the timeline to go back to the beginning. So you can always come to the corner of this graph editor here. So you can always drag it up so you can see something like that. Then you come down here, go to your timeline so that I can always go back to the beginning like this. Now yeah, it is. So the first thing I'm going to do also is that let me bring this up a little bit so I can see. So I'm working so that I can see what I'm working on. Now I want to bring in my music again. So let me press my N. Then firstly, let me make this one to be so to go back to 0 so that all right, okay, excuse me, let me make it go back to 0. Then this plane I'm bringing down. All right, so here it is now. So I'm working on the cube. All right, so let me right click. I'm right clicking on that scene. If you want to do just only one axis, maybe you want to do X axis, you want to react towards an X axis or Y axis or Z axis. For instance, let me show you what I mean. So now this is it here. Now just right click here, then insert single keyframe. You can see we have this line. Now come down to your channel, then you go to your big sound. So I will add that same beat again that I did add the other time. So you can see now if I play, you can see it's only acting towards the Z axis, that's going up and down. Now for instance now, so I can also do some adjustment, little adjustments. If I want the amplitude to go further than that, I can always come down here. If you are not seeing this, just for instance, maybe you have this plane, you are not really seeing the other part, just click your N. Make sure that your mouse cursor is here, then click your N. So I'm going to my modifier. So in my modifier, go to your envelope. So here we can do some little adjustment again. Right, okay, then come to this add control point. So you can move, you can see I'm moving it. So let me take it back to 0. Now, so here we can adjust the amplitude. You can also do the adjustment here, but I won't want you to do it. You can also do it there. It doesn't matter anyway, but I want to do mine from here. So now, yes, the more I adjust it, you can see that it's going up. So instead of it to go up, let me bring it down. I just want to increase the amplitude, the load. So let me bring it down, back. So now if I play it again, let me go back to the beginning. You can see that it's now moving higher than the other time. All right, now so that's just one axis. That's if you are doing only a single keyframe. You want to only one axis. You want your object to react to music in one axis. But if you want to, how about you want to do in all axes, for instance? So let me first of all delete this. Let me clear the keyframe and bring this back to 0. So now I will come to this scale here. Then take this one back to 0 also. So I'll come to this scale here. So now I'll right click again. Then I'm going to do insert keyframe, not single again now this time around, but insert keyframe. So it's going to insert keyframe on all axes. So you are bringing your music again. Your music is here. You can see that we are not. Let me hide this. Okay. You can see we are not seeing the cube again. Yes, it's because we are doing it in all axes and is in 0 points. So it means that the lowest part of it is in the lowest part of it, so we cannot really see it. So for instance now, if I come here, hide this, click on, you can see that we are not really seeing it again. So but we all have all the axes here now. If we want to bring it back to the scene, this is what we are going to do. But if I play it now, you will see what it's doing. You can see that it's becoming, you can see it. You can see. Now that's what I'm saying. So let's go back. So for us to be able to see it now, let me come to this x-axis. Then come to my modifier, envelope. Now here, I'm going to do some little adjustments. Can bring this, bring it up, then do some little adjustments here. Let me bring this down a little bit. Let me make the amplitude to go up very well to make it high. Then bring this down. Now if I play it now, you can see that it's only working in that axis, in x-axis alone. So the difference between you working on in a single axis is different from the way you are going to work it on multiple axes. So if you want to do that, you have to come here, copy. This one is to copy everything and go and paste on every other axis. So now let me copy this. Now I'm going to come to this y-axis here. I'm going to click on it. Then the other part of it, then I will paste. You can see. Then come to this z-axis also, then paste. You can see we are now seeing our cube again. So if I play it, go back to the beginning. Now let's play. Can you see? Can see that it's becoming bigger. It's reacting to all axes. That's scaling. We are scaling it in all axes. So if you just want it in a location also, you can also do that, the same thing, and the rest like that. So thank you for watching my tutorial for today. And please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I'm dropping a video like this, you might be one of the first person to be aware of it. Like, share, and also comment if necessary. So I will see you at the other side. Love you. Bye.